Hello everybody, hope you're doing good today. It's a beautiful day out here. It's about 70 degrees and I wanted to make chips, but I didn't want to make them in the house because it heats the house up. Butterfly. So I decided to bring them out here, and I couldn't find my camp cook stove, so I found my turkey frying cooker thing and got my cast iron skillet, and this is what I'm doing. That was the first batch, and then I got this batch, and what you do is you put them in there, and just when they start turning a little bit brown, you take them out, because they will finish browning in the pan. And I've used different brands of chips or tortillas, and the best one is the Mission white corn. And after I'm done with these, I'll take those out and I'll show you how I cut them. But if you can see, let me show you one here. See the difference? They're just starting to turn brown. That means I'm ready to take them out. So, and this is the greatest little ladle here ever. I love this ladle. I'm gonna have to take my thermometer out because it keeps getting in my way. Usually I'll take my other hand and I'll hold my bucket up closer, but I'm working with one hand here, and I just dump them in there, and then after I get all of these in there, I'll put some salt on them, and oops, I missed the bucket on that one. It's alright. And you put lots of napkins in there to absorb the grease. Alright, so we got all of those out. Whoops. Except for that one that I just dropped back in there. There we go. And then I take my salt shaker and I just throw some salt on it. And then, Rod, can you come hold this for me? And then what I do is I take the tortillas and I kind of spread them apart like that, and then just kind of drop them in there. And make sure you don't have too much grease in there, because if it goes over your pot, you will have a mess. And I just take my stirrer and I'll let those cook for a minute. And then let me show you how I cut these. I just cut it in half. Whoop. And then they don't have to be perfect. Oops, those are going to be a little bit smaller. I'm going to try to move it over a little bit. There we go. There we go. And then, like I said, before I drop them in there, I just kind of spread them apart. That way they don't stick together while they're cooking. Thank you. And that's it. That, to that, to that. And about 250 to 300. Looks like it's working pretty good. I've never used this setup before, so I had to experiment a little bit. But it looks like it's doing pretty well, so yeah. And every once in a while, I'll take this just for extra flavor, and I'll put a little bit of that on there. But be careful with this because it's really salty. So that's cooking outside. Oh crap, this turkey timer has this turkey thing has a timer on it, and I forgot to turn it back on. Rod, I'm gonna need your help lighting this again. It's the only thing I don't like about this turkey timer so far. Hopefully I can get this lit here. All right, there we go. Yeah, this timer right here, it doesn't have a permanently on position, so I have to keep an eye on that. Otherwise it goes off on me. But yep, that's it. That's making chips outside so you don't heat up your house. And these are really good, especially if you're using them for dipping, because they don't break like most chips. They break as soon as you put them in the dip, and then you have to put your finger in there and get out the chip. Well, these don't do this. They're harder, and they're really, really good. They're awesome. You should try them. Let me know if you do. Leave me a comment. Okay, so I made all those delicious chips. So what goes better with chips than Indian tacos? So here's the chips that I made. Hot sauce, I made that too. Cheese, tomato, lettuce, fry bread, the hamburger meat, and beans. All right, well, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you have a great day. God bless you, and I'll catch you on the next one. All right, bye.